Welcome to Abacus episode 14. Dear parents and students, level number 1, page number 34, 35, 36. Revision exercise level 1.4.1 is here with duration 15 minutes. Now you don't worry about the duration. Now you practice this page number 34, 35, 36, and next class onwards let us start level 2. Here it is level 1 and let us start level 2. And while doing level 2, we have to write the time, for example 9:30 at the beginning, and at the end we have to write the time 9:43 subtract and 13 minutes, like this. At the beginning you write the time, at the end you write the time, and in our level 2 the problems will be almost similar. What you have to do? Now we have to concentrate on speed. At the same time, in level 2 we should not go for formula in detail. See, today I take one problem on addition having decimal place. 3.6 plus 2.7 plus 1.8 plus 2.0 plus 3.5. Here, first problem, it is having decimal place. To conclude level 1, I am taking here, this is unit. We studied in the beginning class unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this is unit, and this is the decimal place, first decimal place, and here the decimal places will be taken on right side of the unit place. See, now 3.6, 3.6. Here we should not give the point in abacus, but we have to assume this 3.6. I do not write the formula here, but wherever necessary you can write the formula. If you can, by assuming it is one place shifted, and 36, 27, 18, 20, 35, like that if you find, then you can find the formula, but not necessary to write the formula, but I tell. Plus 2.7 plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3 plus 0.7 plus 0.7 is equals to plus 1 minus 0.3 plus 1 minus 0.3 plus 2 direct plus 0.7 is equals to plus 1 minus 0.3. Here the by hearting procedure will not work out, but you have to do 0.3 is not possible. Minus 0.3 is done indirectly. Minus 0.5 plus 0.2 minus 0.5 minus 0.5 plus 0.2. Same what we used to do in unit place, we are doing here in decimal place. While writing, we are putting points instead of taking the numbers in the unit place. Plus 1.8 plus 1 direct plus 1 direct plus 0.8 is equals to plus 1 minus 0.2 plus 1 minus 0.2 plus 2 direct plus 2 cannot be done, plus 2 is equals to plus 10 minus 8 plus 2 is equals to plus 10 minus 8 plus 3.5 plus 3 direct plus 0.5 plus 0.5 direct. So answer is 10.6. I repeat. See here, 10.6. 3.6, 3.6 plus 2.7 plus 2 is equals to, what I wrote, plus 2, not direct. Here, make a small correction, plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3 plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3 plus 0.7 plus 0.7 is equals to plus 1 minus 0.3 minus 0.3 is not possible, minus 0.5 plus 0.2 plus 1.8 plus 1 direct plus 0.8 equals to plus 1 minus 0.2 plus 2 equals to plus 10 minus 8 plus 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 3 direct plus 0.5 direct plus 3 direct plus 0.5 direct. Answer 13.6, not 10.6. Answer 13.6. Now, like this, decimal places, if you start, then there is no question of by hearting the formula, but what formula you are applying here at tens place, at 100 place, at unit place, same position you have to do it at decimal places. See, practice this, take down this, practice this problem. Now I will move to next similar problem, and let us have few practices of decimal places. Those who have not yet understood what is the meaning of decimal place, and those who have not yet come across with the numerical system and the value of decimal place, please ignore these things. And for example, if the students are there in first standard, students are there in second standard, don't know the meaning of 3.2, don't know the meaning of 3.6, then you leave it, go to next, and when you come to higher standard, when you can understand the numerical system, in that situation you can able to do it. Okay, 7.2 plus 2.7 plus 3.8 plus 7.5 plus 6.3. Simple numbers I am taking here with a single first decimal place. Let us take. Dear students, I told you I have to move here, I have to move the abacus, I have to write the formula, I have to explain. At the same time, a small errors sometimes may occur. It is obvious, and as in the last problem, if small error occurs, then do rectify yourself and you can bring it to my notice so that you are observing very well, and if it is rectified in the class, it is well and good. Okay. Now 7.2. 7.2. 7.2 plus 2.7 plus 2 direct plus 0.7 plus 2 direct plus 0.7 is equals to plus 1 minus plus 7 plus 0.7 is also direct. Plus 3.8 plus 3 is equals to plus 10 minus 7 plus 3 is equals to plus 10 minus 7 plus 0.8 is equals to plus 1 minus 0.2 plus 1 minus 0.2 plus 7.5 plus 7 is equals to plus 10 minus 3 plus 7 is equals to plus 10 minus 3 plus 0.5 is equals to plus 1 minus 0.5 plus 1 minus 0.5 plus 1 minus 0.5 plus 6.3 plus 6 direct plus 6 direct plus 0.3 plus 0.3 is equals to plus 0.5 minus 0.2 plus 0.5 minus 0.2. This is plus 3 equals to plus 5 minus 2, but decimal places. Same way, the formulas are to be shifted from place to place with the same values. See, answer is 27.5. 27.5. 2, 9, 17, 17 plus 22, 25 carry 2, 9, 11, 14, 21, 27, right? Now, once again I do because I move from here to there, right between the calculations, again come here, so that confusion may be, but here when the formulas are written and I do directly, it is easy to grasp for smaller kids. See, first one 7.2 plus 2.7 plus 2 direct 7.2 plus 2.7 plus 2 direct plus 0.7 plus 0.7 direct plus 3.8 plus 3 equals to plus 10 minus 7 plus 0.8 plus 0.8 equals to plus 1 minus 0.2 plus 7.5 plus 7 is equals to plus 10 minus 3 plus 0.5 is equals to plus 1 minus 0.5 plus 6.3 plus 6 direct plus 0.3 equals to plus 0.5 minus 0.2. Answer 27.5. Similarly, I take one more problem. (25.6) Now let us take one problem of 2 digits with decimal places. 25.6 0 25.6 plus 17.7 plus 17 plus 10 direct plus 7 equals to plus 5 minus 3 equals to minus 5 plus 2 plus 0.7 plus 0.7 equals to plus 1 minus 0.3 minus 0.3 equals to minus 0.5 plus 0.2 plus 10 direct plus 7 equals to plus 10 minus 3 plus 0.7 equals to plus 1 minus 0.3. We did. I repeat. 25.6 plus 10 direct plus 7 equals to plus 10 minus 3 equals to minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 equals to minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 equals to minus 5 plus 2 plus 0.7 plus 0.7 equals to plus 1 minus 0.3 minus 0.3 equals to minus 0.5 plus 0.2 minus 0.5 plus 0.2 plus 38.4 plus 30 is equals to plus 30 is equals to plus 50 minus 20 plus 30 is equals to plus 50 plus 50 minus 20 plus 8 plus 8 is equals to plus 10 minus 2 plus 8 is equals to plus 10 minus 2 plus 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.4 is equals to plus 0.5 minus 0.1 plus 0.4 is equals to plus 0.5 minus 0.1 plus 23.8 plus 20 is equals to plus 100 minus 80 plus 20 is equals to plus 100 minus 80 plus 3 direct plus 3 direct plus 0.8 is equals to plus 1 minus 0.2 plus 1 is not possible plus 1 equals to plus 5 minus 4 plus 5 minus 4 minus 0.2 plus 41.3 plus 40 direct plus 1 direct plus 1 direct plus 0.3 plus 0.3 direct plus 0.3 direct. Answer 146.3. See here, this problem is as good as 3-digit problem, but no hundreds, but the decimal places, for which you need not by heart the formula, but the same formula plus 5 minus 5 equals to minus 3 equals to minus 5 plus 2 plus 5 minus 1 plus 4 equals to plus 5 minus 1 plus 8 equals to plus 10 minus 2, but one decimal place is shifted and same formula. So those who have come across with the decimal system in your school, then you can practice it, you do it. Those who have not come across with the decimal system, for example second standard, first standard students, you need not practice it, and in the later course when you come to know about the meaning, value, and you understand the decimal places, then you can do it or you can understand. Okay, now this formula is written here. I do once again so that there is no confusion of my movements, etc., and you can understand bit better. Plus 7 is equals to, little alignment I made, nothing corrections. 25.6 plus 17.7 plus 10 direct plus 7 equals to plus 10 minus 3 equals to minus 5 plus 2 plus 0.7 plus 0.7 equals to plus 1 minus 0.3 equals to minus 0.5 plus 0.2 plus 38.4 plus 30 equals to plus 50 minus 20 plus 8 equals to plus 10 minus 2 plus 0.4 equals to plus 0.5 minus 0.1 plus 23.8 plus 20 equals to plus 100 minus 80 plus 3 direct plus 0.8 equals to plus 1 minus 0.2 plus 1 equals to plus 5 minus 4 minus 0.2 plus 41.3 plus 40 equals to plus direct plus 1 direct plus 0.3 direct. 146.8 it has. 146.8 it had come. Somewhere plus 2 I have not did. See, you practice this problem. This is well designed and very good exercise for understanding. And do this problem, practice this problem, decimal places you understand, and do it. Let us meet in the next video.